Are your customers frustrated because they can't email your support team directly? Learn how to enable direct email support in Klaviyo in just a few clicks. We'll walk through the inbound settings step by step. Open your profile, go to Settings, open the Email tab, and toggle on the Email Support option. Click your profile in the lower left. Then click on Settings. Next, click on the Email tab. Then click on Inbound Settings. Now, look for Email Support. Go ahead and toggle it on. Customers will send their support emails to this domain. Finally, click Save, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.